What's going on, everybody? So today I want to show kind of how I'm going to top dress this new rye grass. I'm going to kind of do it for two reasons. So one, it's bumpy. It's really just unenjoyable to real mow it because of all the bumps and just the divots. The land is flat. It's just, it needs a light top dressing to kind of make it smoother when I'm mowing. And two, I think it's just going to be easier to get this final overseed to be more successful with just some dirt on top of it. It's been hot here. I'm really just sick of looking at these patches, so I'm gonna get a little over aggressive and just throw this last seed down here in the heat of August. Hopefully this dirt over it will kind of protect it, keep it moist, and hopefully it'll germinate relatively quickly. So this is gonna be more of like a how-to video, if anything, but you guys can kind of see, you know, what I'm gonna do for this final step, hopefully. Let's go. Alright, it is really hot today. It's like 105 degrees out right now, so it is brutal trying to move this dirt. But I would say right now I'm about halfway done. A question that I'm probably going to get is, why did I go dirt over sand? Especially since I did sand last time. And the reason why is that I've heard and I've read that once you start with sand, you can't stop. You don't want to do different layers of soil over time. So if I'm doing dirt for the first 2 or 3 times, then I switch to sand, I really can't go back to dirt. So seed, in my opinion, grows way easier and quicker in dirt than in sand because I can keep moisture in it better. So I went dirt for this round. I think that maybe I'll go dirt again next year, and maybe the following I'll do sand. That's just my 2 cents on it. All right, here's where we're at so far. So there's some really patchy areas over here. I was able just to kind of rake all of this in. Same here, there's just some small divots here that I wanted to fix. A lot of this is good, so I don't think there's any need. And this is the last part. This is just kind of where I left off. Certain spots needed fixing, other spots didn't. All right, now that all the top dressing is done with, I'm just gonna go ahead and sprinkle one more light dose of seed across this whole thing. Keep in mind, I did a heavy overseeding before I top dressed, so I just thought I'd kill the rest of the bag and put the rest of the seed on top of the dirt, just so we could really clear up any sort of patchiness that was going on. And we're just going to finish things off with a light dose of water. Once the seed gets wet, it has to remain wet until germination. So that should be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.